Hey y'all, Miss Brown here. So my my Screencastify little embedded screen of me is not working, so y'all will just hear my voice today. Okay, so 8th week, it is October 5th today. So we had a kind of a light day because I knew I'd be expecting some people out due to the recent outbreak that we had of COVID. So what y'all are going to do is you are going to go to page 22 of your journal. So, page 22 of your journal, and you are going to write these 3 essential questions at the top part of your journal where it says EQ. How do you identify an element based on its atomic structure? Number 2, how do you calculate the mass of an atom using protons and neutrons? And number 3, what are valence electrons? And then y'all are going to rephrase the 3 essential questions and write it on the bottom of page 22. These are going to be the essential questions we will use for our episode 2 of our podcast, in addition to determining the number of protons, neutrons, electrons, and similarities and differences between ions and isotopes. And if y'all want to take notes on the video that we're going to watch today, you can do it on page 21, which was set aside for the quiz, but I did the study page on the front board for y'all. So you can use page 21 to take video notes for today. So I'm going to hit next. So what we did to start off was we talked about page 20. So page 20 in your journal, I didn't specifically say to do it. I said do the worksheet on 19, which continued on to page 20. So I gave the class 5 minutes to start page 20 as well. We're going to review pages 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 tomorrow. So today we're focusing on electrons. What are they? Where are they located? And what do they do? And our big question, y'all, is what is every atom's lifelong dream? So you're going to watch my friend Robin Reaction. She is amazing. And you're going to watch her talk about electrons. Only the first 5 minutes, y'all. It's a 20-minute video. You can watch the rest if you want, but the first 20 is what we're going to get at today. So if you want to title page 21, where we were supposed to do quiz notes, if you want to retitle that, How to Find the Charge of an Atom, then you can take video notes on page 21. So you're going to take notes. My Canvas video did not load. So instead, at the bottom, I put the YouTube video link instead. So y'all will just watch this YouTube video link instead. And like I said, you're going to pause it at 5 minutes. You're only going to watch up until about, let's say, like this part right about here. So right about 4.5, 5 minutes. So you're going to stop watching right about here. And then what I want y'all to do is you're going to take video notes on page 21 of your journal. You are not going to have to comment 3 times because I couldn't get this Canvas video to work. So then you hit next, and then you are going to use your video notes to answer the questions on page 23. So after the unit divider, you should have written your essential questions, rephrase them, and then this page is page 23. So I have 6 questions, and I retyped the 6 questions below here. And y'all are just going to use your video notes to answer these 6 questions. So this is page 23 of your journal. So how and where are the electrons organized? How many electrons fit in the first shell? How many fit in the second and third? What is this rule called? What is a valence electron? What is every atom's lifelong dream and why? And then is there a special type of organization used for these elements and what is it? So answer these 6 questions on page 23. And then when you're done, I want you guys to share out your answers to those questions and see what other people put. So you're going to get going on this Jamboard. So this, y'all, is just a picture of my first page to kind of show the class what the Jamboard looked like. And then you are going to pick period 2, 3, or 6 based off of what class you're in. And then you're going to add your own Jamboard page. So sometimes we share a Jamboard page, but for this instance, I want y'all to add your own. So you are going to use my page. You can copy it, I wonder, paste it. I don't know. We'll see. And then you guys are going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Post-it notes to answer these 5 questions. And then I want y'all to add an image too. Don't forget to put your name on it as well. So if I hit next, you'll just find one that's open. And each of y'all will start a new Jamboard page and answer the 5 questions, each on a different Post-it, after you watch the video. Just be sure to use your video notes and don't forget to add your name to your Jamboard as well as restating the questions, y'all. So for example, I would start a new page and I would add a Post-it that said, atoms are located blank, and they are organized blank. So just make sure you're restating. So that way people that look back on the jam know what it is. And that's it, y'all. That's what we did for Monday, October 10th in grade, October 10th. That's what we did Monday, October 5th in grade 8 pre-AP Science. Bye, y'all. You fill my buckets each and every day. Overflowing. Bye, y'all.